What are the steps to install APK on Roku?
Hello there. If you're looking to install APK files on your Roku device, you've come to the right place. Roku doesn't natively support APK installation as it runs on its own operating system, Roku OS. However, you can still enjoy Android apps on your Roku device via screen mirroring. Today, we'll guide you through the steps to make it possible.
What will you need?
To begin with, let's gather all the necessary equipment. You will need 1. A Roku device 2. An Android device 3. A stable Wi-Fi connection. Please ensure that both your Roku and Android devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network.
How to enable screen mirroring on Roku.
In this section, we'll talk about enabling screen mirroring on your Roku device. 1. Navigate to the Settings menu on your Roku. 2. Select the System option. 3. Then, go to Screen Mirroring. 4. Here, you'll see a list of options to configure. Select Screen Mirroring Mode and set it to Prompt or Always Allow.
How to set up screen mirroring on Android.
Next, let's set up screen mirroring on your Android device. 1. On your Android device, go to the Settings menu. 2. Navigate to Display, and then find and select the Cast or Screen Mirroring option. The exact name might differ depending on your Android version and device manufacturer. 3. You should now see a list of available devices for screen mirroring. Select your Roku device from the list.
How to install and run APK on Android.
Finally, let's get to the part where we install the APK on your Android device and then mirror it to your Roku. 1. Download the APK file of the app you want to install onto your Android device. 2. Before installing, ensure that you have allowed your Android device to install apps from unknown sources. You can usually find this option under the Security settings. 3. Once the APK file is downloaded, tap on it to install the application. 4. After the installation is complete, launch the app. Whatever is displayed on your Android device should now also be mirrored on your Roku device. That's it. You've now successfully mirrored an Android app to your Roku device. It's worth mentioning that while this method allows you to use Android apps on your Roku device, the user experience might not be as smooth as using a natively supported Roku app. Nonetheless, we hope you find this guide helpful and enjoy your new capabilities with your Roku device.